Use the vocabulary video to write complete sentences or record your answers to the following questions. Please make sure that you use the video above this one because that's going to give you a reminder of what the words mean. The first question is, how can you tell if a building has been abandoned? The second question is, what are some things you need permission to do? The third question, when might you need an oasis and what would it be? Number 4 says, if you are planning an activity, how do you know if your plan is sufficient? Number 5 says, what is something you do that is frequent? Why is it frequent? Number 6 says, if your dad was installing something, what might it be?